Hey there, guys. It's Do It All Paul with the Maintenance University. Got a little fun little project that I'm going to be taking care of today. I've got some here. I'll show you. Those are actually down cushions off of a really sweet Pottery Barn couch, and then I got some wood right there. This is kind of like my little sanctuary where I come in the morning and just get my my little me time. And anyways, I just had those little down cushions up on a couple of little red chairs and wasn't all that comfortable, and so I'm gonna go ahead and turn all that scrap wood and the cool little down cushions into a real nice place for me to just have a real good start for the morning. So I'll show you the progress. I'll show you how I get from here to there using scrap wood and something that could have been considered garbage. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned. So I did a little bit of setup, but the plan is these are about 3 feet wide right here, so which is plenty enough for me to be real comfortable. And the plan is these are actually 6 feet wide. I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a little bit of almost like a Adirondack look for the base. So you'll have one bottom cushion here and one back cushion here, and I'll just cut them to length. And I'm going to go ahead and dado this out to where it's actually at 3/4 spacing of meat left on it, so that it fits together perfectly and it'll be a nice strong joint. So I'll put it into time lapse. So I figured I'd just slow this down just to explain, because it might be that we've got some do-it-yourselfers that aren't familiar with this. So the thickness of this is 1.5 inches. I went ahead and did a bunch of slots across here at 3/4 inch. And by doing that, it makes it to where it just comes right apart. And the reason I'm going to do this is because now this is going to actually be a saddle cut. So basically both of these boards will sandwich together and then hopefully fit together really well. So I'll speed things up just so that you can see the progress. Kind of see what the goal was here. This is going to be the seat part, and this is going to be the back part. So this seat should be pretty much perfect as far as the width goes, and this back will have to be trimmed off, which is fine. And then basically I'm going to just take, you know, any little straight edge, and yeah, just you can kind of like look right here. Let me make sure that it's in the camera, because yeah, there we go. So if you can kind of imagine, like I actually do a lot by creating a picture of what I want to see in my head, and then trying to realize it into the world. So like what I'm doing here with this is I'm imagining this being where my knees hang over, and so I think about the space between here and the floor that I want. So that looks a little bit high, so because I want to kind of be able to chill with this thing. So that looks about right there. And then this angle right here is going to dictate how straight up and down I am. So I don't want to fall asleep, but want it to be pretty chill. So I think that looks pretty good. So now that I've found my angles, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut that, and then that'll be side number one, and then I just duplicate it for the other side. And adjust the size. That's actually perfect for there. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and pull this up just a little bit so that it can sit on top of the one that is for the seat. And then once I make this cut, I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate this with those other boards right there. So I'll put you back on time lapse and let's see where we land. Starting to come together. You can kind of see it take shape. We're going to go ahead and cut the boards that go across here and across here at 33 so that the tops can actually be 36. Tops and backs can be 36 because this is 1.5 inches and this is 1.5 inches material as well. So that means that the span between here and here you have to deduct 3 inches. So anyways, I'll put it on time lapse so you guys don't get bored. Right. Fruits of the labor. Fun little chair. Oh, that's nice. So I'll be able to hang out here in the morning and you know, work out and then just kind of chill. It's a nice little peaceful looking spot. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and you can do it. Once again, this is Paul with Maintenance University. Just remember to have fun doing it yourself. All right, you take care, guys.